Hello.
Roll camera.
Hey, camera, Mark. You just put me.
Don't eat me! Don't eat me!
We just made. I'm sorry. That was dreadful. Let's put some distance between us and this island and head out to open sea.
Yes to the first and yes to the second, but only so far as we keep to the... I'm just going to start the take again. Shall I? Good idea.
If it weren't for these bars, I'd have you already.
Jimmy! Say that last line again, kid.
The charge is conspiring to set free a man convicted of... I can't read my own writing. Marvelous. Crimes. Thank you very much.
So all that's left is to climb aboard the Davy Jones crocodile machine, or whatever it's called. What's the bloody thing called? Flying what? Dutchman.
You knew this.
I did not.
You knew this.
I did not. I'm sorry. A little over the top, maybe.
Maybe.
The East India Trading Company has need of your services.
What is the East India East India...
There's no one there.
The charge is conspiring to set free a man legally, lawfully... Sorry, I'm slightly confused because I didn't know which version we were doing. Shall I say it or Jonathan say it?
That's my line, dear.
Sorry. Sorry.
Are you certain? Sorry.
But if you go and brave the weird and hunt it sure that world's end, then I'm stuck. I'm sorry.
Why fight when you can negotiate? All one needs. Help?
There's a female presence, yes, sir. All the men have felt her. No, they haven't.
I shall help you to find the compass if you'll do strange things to my dog. His name is Tim. Faith in your reconciliatory and navigating native. There, I said it. I feel better for it.
Thanks, Dad.
Again!
Let's go back to the beginning.
Sorry.
Blah, 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 blah. Kill him!
Nice one.
Cutting.
Cut. Parker!